Oh dear. All right, guys, what is up? So we're actually out here. We're exploring the flood waters. This is actually a road I'm on right now. There's electrical boxes underwater. I didn't think about that. That is actually the baseball field. We're gonna get onto the field. Okay, we're gonna try. Why is there an ice machine? What is going on? Like what? I really don't want to. Whenever it's stuck, I don't want to get into. Hey! Okay, so this is definitely wild. Is your ice machine? I found it. Oh, it's a barrel. We need the swamp. Oh, stick. This is really kind of hard. Wow, the lights are still on. This is sketch, bro. I'm up here with the basketball hoops. This is scary, yo. I don't know why, but this just gives you like a, whoa. Okay, I don't like that. Why are the lights? The motion sensors are still working. Did you guys see that? What the hell?